Hook 000012. Looking for higher returns than your bank? Premier Credits offers short-term, asset-backed loans with up to 12% annual returns. But is it worth the risk? Let's break it down. What is Premier Credits? 013035. Premier Credits is a UK-based P2P lending platform connecting investors with real estate developers and businesses. Loans are secured by property with terms of 6 to 24 months and minimum investments from £1,000. How it works: 036110. Investors pick loans, earn monthly interest, and get their principal back at maturity. Borrowers get fast funding, all backed by real estate. Here's the process. Sign up, invest, earn monthly, and get paid. Benefits: 1-11-1-30. Why invest? High yields, collateral-backed loans, and passive monthly income. Diversify across multiple loans to reduce risk. Risks: 1-31-1-55. But beware, loans can default. Your money is locked in and there's no government insurance. Always do your due diligence. Legitimacy check. 1-56-2-20. Premier Credits is FCA-regulated and transparent, but reviews are mixed. It's legit, but not for risk-averse investors. How to start: 2-21-2-45. Ready to start? Sign up, verify your ID, deposit funds and choose loans. Monitor your investments and reinvest earnings. Alternatives: 2-46-3-10. Prefer options? Compare Kuflink, Funding Circle, or even crypto platforms like BlockDAG for higher risk, higher reward plays. Final verdict: 3-11 end. Premier Credits is a solid P2P platform for passive income if you understand the risks. Invest wisely, diversify, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Learn more at